welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a February unboxing of the Glossybox. As always, I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. Just a quick recap about Glossyboxes, because I've mentioned this all the time throughout my videos. For those of you who don't know about Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly subscription service which you can choose the plan that suits you, and you can cancel at any time. They have 3 separate plans, so you can choose the plan that suits you. I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys. So if you are new to Glossybox, then please head out to their website and you can check them out. So this is the February unboxing, this month's box. It's absolutely beautiful and I love it. And yes, as always, I've already sneak peeked in this month's box. So, as always, undo the ribbon, undo the tissue paper, and I will quickly show you all those beautiful goodies. So I'm going to show you one by one of what sort of goodies you have inside of this. So the first things first, we have a beautiful beauty blender. So this is from the Sophia Mabel beauty blenders. I have got so many beauty blenders, these are not real. Then we have a Liberace Cosmetics lip gloss, and this is in the shade Verdict. It's a beautiful pinky nudie colour. I'll quickly show you. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can, guys, because I've got so much to do and I've got to get ready for work. But yeah, it's a nice beautiful pinky nudie colour. I love all these kind of shades of lipsticks as well. This one is probably the quickest unboxing Glossybox I've ever done, because I've got 3 more products to show you guys, so I'm trying to whiz through this as quickly as possible. Sorry if this is going to be the shortest unboxing of the Glossybox ever, but I've got so much to do. I've got to get another filming done and get ready for work. So then the next we have a photo finish primer. I've actually got one of these and I've used it and it's actually quite alright. It's quite nice actually. Then we have a dewy blush from Cartier London, Glossy Cheek Tints in the shade Papria. Now I don't normally use these sort of things for my cheeks, but do you know what? I will actually try and give this a go and see what it's like. I've never actually tried anything like that. I haven't tried like liquid kind of stuff on my cheeks before, so yeah, I will love to give that a go. And last but no means least, in this month's box, we have a little tester of a perfume. So this is called the Advent Parisian Sunsets, and I've already sprayed this and it smells insane. I actually quite like it. It smells really nice actually. But yeah, I want to try and give you a close-up look. But yeah, I hope you guys, sorry this has been so quick. This has been the quickest and fastest unboxing of this Glossybox I've ever done. Like I said, I've got so much to do today, so I've got to film another video and I've got to get ready for work. So sorry it's been the quickest video ever. But yeah, that is everything from this month's box. Again, I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check Glossybox out. Like I said, they have 3 different plans, so you can choose the plan that suits you better with your money. That is going to end today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, as always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So sorry it's been so fast.